How to stay positive and easily manifest your desires. Quotes of the video: stay positive, your better way are on their way. Introduction: ways on how to stay positive in life, daily habits that you can adopt in your thoughts and actions in order to create a positive atmosphere around you and easily manifest your desires into reality. Number 1. Be a conscious self-soother. Talk yourself into leaning towards the positive. Whenever negative circumstances arise and you are inclined to go into negative thinking, begin going general in your thoughts, instead of deliberately going deeper into the negativity. Practice talking to yourself in a soothing and kind manner, just like talking to your inner child, and say to yourself that it is all about focus and you already know what to do now. Aim for the feeling of relief first, and then gradually move your thoughts into better feeling ones. Number 2. Meditate to clear away negative thoughts and stabilize your vibration. Meditation is a very effective technique to use to quiet the mind and release any attachment to thoughts. It lets your mind be calm and at ease, and lets your vibration to naturally rise to the level of peace and satisfaction. You can consciously focus on your breathing, feeling relaxed as you inhale and exhale. Or you can focus on a specific sound, or count backwards from 100 to 1. You can do this a few minutes each day, and you will gradually be the kind of person who is more at peace as you go about your day. And from this stable place, positive thoughts will then be easily received by your mind. You will be receptive to more thoughts that harmonize with this new high vibration you're on. Number 3. Do not focus on the problem you want to eliminate. What you focus upon expands and gains momentum, and whenever you are focusing upon a problem, your thoughts are adding momentum towards what you do not want. The negative thoughts will be amplified, and the positive thoughts about solutions cannot come in because it is on a different vibrational frequency. You cannot stay positive when your focus is upon the unwanted. You can choose to focus on something else instead, something that makes you feel good in the moment and which is entirely unrelated to the problem. And once you do this, inspired solutions can now be received by your mind because it is not anymore clouded by the negativity. Number 4. Leave situations or people that are not serving you. In order to stay positive, mostly, take notice of the people and interactions that you allow and participate in your life. Choose to be in the atmosphere of positivity, kindness and optimism, instead of feeding your mind with energies of anger, hate, blame, and judgment, all of which are not serving you in your vibrational set point well. What you surround yourself with will have a significant impact on the vibration you keep on practicing in your life. 5. Let the negativity melt away. Don't go specific on anything negative. When a negative thought is not kept active within you, it will naturally and effortlessly melt away and leave you. You are not forcefully getting rid of them, but rather you are releasing your attachment to these thoughts so that they become inactive and fall away on their own as you loosen your grip. When you do not choose to dive into the specifics of anything negative, you do not get in the way of the natural rising of your vibration, and you thereby go back to your default setting of peace, satisfaction, positivity, and happiness. 6. Catch negative thoughts early so the momentum will not get going. Become an active watcher of your mind, and pay attention to the thoughts you think so you will not unconsciously fall into thoughts that you do not want to think about. You can constantly ask yourself, what am I thinking right now? Or, is this thought serving me as I think it? This will be very effective to stop the spiral of unconscious negative thinking, and notice them at the early stages when it is still easy to detach and release. 7. Be a deliberate thinker instead of a reactor. Know what you broadcast. This is in connection with the previous step, wherein you become the deliberate creator of your own thoughts, instead of having the outside world dictate what you will be thinking. You are not anymore reacting to everything that's going on around you, and you become picky with the topics you allow in your mind. This also means making sure that the vibrations you broadcast to the universe are the ones that you want to amplify and attract more into your life. You become the deliberate creator that you naturally are. Through constant practice, you will be able to gain a stable footing on thinking positively, regardless of what's going on around you. With practice, you will naturally gravitate towards good feeling thoughts, and you will be able to interact with all kinds of things and people with a still steady vibrational offering, because you have already practiced long enough for you to be good at staying there. This means you will not get easily bogged down by negative situations happening around you, because you can now see and think more clearly from this new place you're anchored in. 9. Talk about what's working, what you appreciate, what's fun. Reach for satisfying thoughts. Thoughts of laughter, appreciation, blessings, and things working out will all allow you to vibrate at a higher frequency, where you will get access to more and more thoughts at that same high energy level. When you choose joy and appreciation, that's what you'll get more of in your life. That's why the better it gets, the better it gets. It's all about choosing the vibrational place you'd like to stay on, and becoming good at that. The energy of defensiveness, justification, and fixing things that are broken will all amplify unwanted thoughts and energies, and will move you farther away from staying positive. Whenever you are resisting or pushing against anything, you add more energy to it, and you move farther energetically from what you desire. Carry the knowing that there is no need to defend or fix anything in order to get what you want. Instead, tend to the inner energy work first, and allow the external details to work out on its own when the energy dynamics are already on the positive side.